I'm in need of an X-ray. X-ray, X-ray, X-ray.
Hey guys, so I wanted to give you all a quick update because I know I posted a video on Instagram, a clip of me. I had a whole day in the life of a radiographer planned, and I had edited actually, but my editor, I use Premiere Pro, was giving so much trouble, was crashing, storage issues, all kind of thing. I don't even have the footage anymore. Like I had to reset the whole laptop and all kind of thing. So unfortunately, I don't have that anymore. It's a new year though, so happy new year. I know I haven't. I'm not sure if I've posted for the year yet, which is horrible that I don't even know, but there's been a lot. So I thought, why not just give you all a quick update, right? So apart from those issues with the laptop, right, obviously, work, right, that is stressful in itself. But a couple of you may know if you check or follow me on Instagram, although I haven't been active much on there either. But I started ultrasound, which is nice. I just completed my first semester, my first course. It's a part-time program, online distance learning with an institute in Canada. So I'm really excited about that. Having gone through that first course, kind of had to regulate, having after class. It was only one day a week, for a couple hours, but coming to work and then going to class, having to stay up. I love my naps. I love to sleep. No shame about it. Right, so that has been a slight adjustment. Having to study again after finishing doing radiography. That was like a whole revisiting of that experience again. But I passed my first class. It was physics of ultrasound. So yeah, my next class is cross-sectional anatomy, and that should be interesting as well. I'm actually kind of nervous for it. So yeah, but the physics part was cool. I was able to get through that, so that's nice. Ultrasound is like a whole different ball game from radiography, and definitely when I feel more confident and comfortable and I start scanning and stuff like that, I would love to bring you all a couple of videos here and there, maybe talking about some things just like I do with radiography. That being said, right, so that's one, ultrasound. Two, normal work, stuff like that. Three, I started a business, so that it was like a race to the finish line because I kept putting off the date to launch that business where I do handmade scented candles and natural soaps and sprays and stuff like that. And that kept me up at night almost every night, like racing towards the finish, preparing, getting the website ready. It's still not open to international orders yet, but I'll leave you a link below in case any of you want to check it out because I'm really proud of what I was able to create, with my own hands. So there's that. That has definitely been one of the things that kept me really, really busy over the past few months. The thought or the idea first came about May of last year where I ended up registering the business, and then normal admin related stuff is just me. So I've put a lot of my energy towards that in the last few months, which is why I've been a bit inconsistent on YouTube, but I do want to bring you all so much content. Today I'm in pediatric x-ray, and hopefully I would get a chance to film a couple things because I know you all left a few requests or videos that you recommend that I should record for you guys. Hopefully it's not too late, but I'm sure it will help somebody, and that's why I did this channel in the first place, right? So it'll be done. I promise. I'll get it done. Might be a little later than I wanted to, but it will get done, right? So yeah, that's about it. I literally just pull this chair here, sitting down in the middle of the room. But yeah, I don't know if there's anything else. Yes, that's about it. So I'll be going through my comments in a bit. Well, actually, I have a possible to go and do an award now. But when I'm done with that, I'll come back, edit this that I'm recording for you. It'll be a quick edit, nothing fancy, right? Post that up right away, and I'll try to film a couple of videos. I'll have to demonstrate it on myself because there's no one to show you guys, I'll try to explain as best as possible. I actually did somewhat of a tutorial positioning of the chest because that's a very common x-ray, of course. And I also did the knee, lateral knees, AP knees. I want to do more of the body, so hopefully soon. So I'll see what I can get done today, and hopefully moving forward I'll be able to bring lots and lots of more content to you guys. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.